our video cooking presentation. What is ice cream?
Ice cream is a popular frozen dessert made from a mixture of milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings. Produced by churning this blend while freezing to incorporate air, resulting in a smooth, creamy, and semi-solid foam. To be legally classified as ice cream, it generally must contain at least 10% milk fat. Step 1. Put the condensed milk in a bowl. Step 2. Add the Nestle cream. Step 3. Crush the Oreo cookies. Step 4. Add the crushed Oreo cookies to the mixture. Step 5. Mix everything well.